Hey everybody, I've become a huge fan of these tortilla waffles, making in the little Dash tortilla or waffle maker. We're going to be making ham and cheese with mushroom and pineapple. And let's throw on a little bit of dark brown spicy mustard, some cheese, a little piece of pineapple. I dried the pineapple off. Didn't want too much liquid. A little bit of mushroom. Some ham. Now let's see if we can fold this baby. I found out that if you fold the ends, all the liquid and the cheese doesn't melt and come out the ends. We'll see what happens. Nope. I like to press it down kind of hard till the steam starts coming out, and then I let it cook for like 3 minutes. And you open up once in a while, take a look at it. Oop, the liquid's coming out. Get a paper towel here. Maybe I can fold it over. I won't press as hard. Oh, golly. We need to fire that person. These assistants, you can't get good help nowadays. I was trying to move everything so you could see it better. Okay, it's steaming. We'll turn her off for 3 minutes and you come back when we're done. Okay, it's been about 3 minutes. Oh, that'll do. Cheese, mushrooms, mustard, ham, and pineapple. Oh yeah, and pineapple. All right, guys, enjoy these little waffle tortilla things. Are pretty decent.